else want water bottle? Free stuff. Orang pertama yang boleh letak dekat tangan saya wang kertas. Masya Allah, kan sedap kita makan hari ni, Sabrina. Okay, untuk Kak, you get a free water bottle. And no worry, you can take your 50 ringgit back. Thank you so much. I don't ask, I give chance lah. Okay, boy, come here, boy. You want to win present tak? Come. Assalamualaikum. What's your name? Iskandar. Iskandar, do you want a water bottle? Yes? Okay, if you want a water bottle, can you sing me a song? 1, 2. Alah, dia malu lah, tapi tak apalah. Iskandar, what's your favourite colour? Okay, for you, I give you a blue water bottle. Oh, now you can talk. Okay, siapa boleh jawab soalan ni dapat hadiah. Ibu negeri Brunei.
Brunei Darussalam.
Wrong. Sekali lagi. Congratulations, and for that you get a water bottle.